I just wanted to spend a couple of minutes talking about SEO tools and the one I'm using because obviously Market Samurai is no more. So Market Samurai has closed its doors for the last time, but of course SEO isn't dead. And the principles we've learned about SEO by going through the Market Samurai tool are still completely valid and hold true. But what are the best tools out there and which do I use? Now, you've seen my review of available tools in the previous video, and that will hopefully give you a steer towards some of the tools out there that you can use. But most of the free tools can get you somewhere to where you want to be, because as you've seen, a lot of them are really expensive. It can be $99 a month. Well, that's $1,200 a year. It's fine if you're an agency, but if you're not, that's a lot of money. So using the free tools such as the Google Search Console, Answer the Public, the free option on SpyFu and WooRank, the Google Trends Checker, and then the various Chrome extensions, SEO Quake, FatRank, and Keywords Everywhere, and have a look at other Chrome extensions. I haven't searched it extensively for SEO tools, but there must be more, and that's a really good place to try to find some. Now, the top tip number one is that many of the paid tools have a free trial. Now, these could be normal, well, they're normally about 7 days, but one of them is 30 days. So you can get a lot of your SEO work done, particularly when you're setting up, for free using these top tools. You just have to get yourself organized. So definitely look at that. Now, top tip number two, and this is something I've just taken advantage of, is to go and keep an eye on AppSumo. Now, AppSumo is a site I absolutely love because they put together lifetime deals on great apps and software. And I hate paying monthly subscriptions. I'd rather pay $40 or $50 one-off, get a great piece of software with a lifetime deal. And I've done this probably 2 or 3 dozen times. I've got a great bank of tools that I use for all my online work. And it's cost me relatively little. And best of all, I haven't got hundreds of dollars going out every month, which frankly, I can't afford. So the platform I've just signed up for is Authoritas. You can see it here. I've gone for the tier 1 deal. That's quite enough for what I need it for. That's a one-off fee of $49. Now, I've just come out of hospital having had an operation, and I'm going to go away and recuperate for a bit. So I haven't really had a chance to get to grips with it, but it certainly looks like it can do everything I need. You can take a look for yourself and form your own view. There's the link, authoritas.com. You can see that it covers an awful lot of great aspects of SEO, and great resources on the site also help you not only to get to grips with the tool, but will also help you to improve your SEO as well. Of course, the one-off price is always better than the never-ending subscription. Now, I can't guarantee when you watch this video that offer will still be on AppSumo, but you can certainly check AppSumo for other offers, and you can see what deals Authoritas are running at the time you watch this. But I've signed up for Authoritas. I'm going to really get stuck into it when I come back from my vacation. And I stress I've got no financial interest in recommending this to you. I haven't signed up for the affiliate program. I'm not trying to make anything out of it. I'm just trying to tell you what I'm doing because I've had several students ask me what I recommend because of the demise of Market Samurai. Now, top tip number 3, just to round this video off, is to make the most of incognito mode. When you go into Chrome, or indeed when you go into Safari or any other browsers, you can go into an anonymous mode so that your cookies and your previous search history are not used in the results. You get an unbiased search, which enables you to see what your audience sees when you're searching for your keywords. Also, look at the autofill options to see what semantic keywords are being suggested. And of course, the best thing of all is if you actually rank on when you're searching in incognito mode, then you know you're getting really good results. You're not just coming up there because of your cookies and your previous search history. So that's a quick update on the SEO tools, recommending the one that I'm now going to be using. But make the most of what's out there. There's lots of clever ways to basically solve this problem. And if you use the free tools, if you use the trial periods, and eventually you find something you like and you sign up for it, then that's great. But I'll be working with Authoritas going forward, and I'll be fascinated to hear what you think of it and also what you would recommend. So leave me a message.